Hello guys, so I'm gonna try to stay my build and continue my building on my modern house. So let's go. I'm on a full Minecraft zone side, so let's go build and train. And if you guys want to know about how to learn about modern houses, like to building a modern houses, just click on my YouTube channel and you will see that this is the house that I'm continuing to do. This is the modern house. I'm only creating it because I'm bored. Now I'm on the second floor, guys, and we're gonna continue it. So let's go. There is no sound in here, but I'm gonna play you guys some movie to musical. And our new movie is Peppa Pig. So that's all. Kindly watch the video. And looking at this,
Ganyan yung mga yan eh. Nakakain nila yan.
just don't mind who are saying them because they are not people. They are not kind people. Or joke, guys. They are kind people, but they are not presenting to the video. So, guys, please don't listen to them.
Ito na.
If you guys don't like my buildings on modern house, you can just scroll because I don't care whoever don't likes my modern houses. So please kindly scroll if you don't want my videos on building a modern houses. And just guys, please don't comment some bad comments because that can affect my emotions or that can hurt my feelings. Cause I have a bad day. Please get it around. Somebody won't cover the world is kinda homeless. I hate when the shop is doing this. He was looking kind of dummy. The world is kinda homeless. I hate when the shop is doing this. Hate the shop when they're doing this. And the shop is doing this. And this is the ending of my modern houses. And before that, guys, if you guys living, I'm gonna show you all my buildings. First up is this third floor house. I'm gonna explore it. You can skip one, two, this one. Here is the living room. There are only in here. On the second floor, you can see in here. Here are the stairs for two floors. This is the one bed only, and they have a terrace. And that is the only house that I can show you now. I will show you the other house or other house, guys, on the next video. So, bye bye, guys. See you all.